Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get inside of the submarine in Heartopia. So you are just going to go underwater here, and from the portal, you're going to kind of look up to the left, and you'll see this glowing light, and you're just going to want to swim up there, and you'll see a submarine, but you are unfortunately not able to go in. But there is a way to go in. You do need your drawing board. Hold it, and you are going to place it around this area. Press F, and you're just going to go to this side, and you're going to just randomly draw something. So start painting here, and then go back, float up, and you'll be inside the submarine. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You can take pictures here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!